All right, class. So today's homework help is on combining like terms. Okay, combining like terms. All right, so when you are combining like terms, and we're really going to look at this first example here, we zoom into this first example. When you are combining like terms, you only combine terms that have the same variable and exponent attached to that variable. In this algebraic expression, the like terms will be this 5x 7x, okay, because they both have x's attached to them, but also the exponent that's attached to the x is 1 here if you don't see it, and the exponent attached to this x is also 1. So they have the same variable and the same exponent attached. So you can add those together, okay? And they did that out to the side here, which gave them 12x. And then they combine the constants. Constants are numbers that do not have variables attached. Okay, they are like terms. So you can combine the -4 with the +9, and out to the side that gives you 5. So your expression is going to be 12x plus 5. And we can't combine these terms because again, these are not like terms. So this is going to be your answer there. So let's look at problem number 2. Okay? Remember, we're combining like terms. All right, so the terms here that are alike are going to be this 4x squared and this -2x squared. Those are going to be our like terms. So I'm going to circle those to signify that these are my like terms. So then out to the side, I can do 4x squared minus the 2x squared. And we know that that is going to be 2x squared. So far we got 2x squared. Okay? All right. Another pair of like terms is going to be the positive 8x and minus 5x. Put a box around those. Okay? So when I add those together, that's going to be a positive 8x. All right, done with this. And then the last pair of like terms, a triangle around these, is going to be -7 plus 2, which is going to give us a -5. And if you can't see that, write it out to the side. -7 plus 2. Okay? That'll help you see that a little bit better, and that's going to be a -5. None of these terms are like terms, so this expression is going to be your answer there. If you have questions, please make sure you let me know that you don't understand this, because this is super important. You'll be combining, you'll be combining like terms, okay? All year. You're going to be doing something with combining like terms or problems that have combining like terms in them. Let's look at number 3. We're going to combine like terms here. Okay, so in this algebraic expression, your like terms are going to be, we got the 8x, positive 8x, and a negative, or you can say minus 9x. So we can write that out to the side. We have 8x minus 9x. And this is going to be a -1x or just -x, okay? All right. The other pair of like terms is going to be 13y. Let me mark this out. 13y plus 2y. So we got 13y plus 2y is positive 15y. Combine those like terms. And again, if you can't see it, just move it out to the side. 13y plus 2y. Okay? And this expression is going to be your answer because you cannot combine the like terms. Okay, let me see if there are others that look different. Yes, let's look at number 4. Okay, looks a little different. We're going to combine only the like terms. All right, so let's start with 6A. 6A, the other term that's a like term is the 4A. Is there anything else? No. So you're going to add 6A and 4A, and if you can't see it, write it out to the side. 6A plus 4A, and that gives us, you use your fingers and your toes, that gives us 10A, okay? Mark this out. All right, the other pair of like terms, we have a negative 7AB and 10AB. They have the same exponents, the same variables attached and the same exponents that are also attached to those variables. Now, if this A had a 2 here, but a 2 as an exponent wasn't present here, they would not be like terms. The variables have to be the same, as well as the exponents attached to that variable must be the same as well. So we have, these are like terms, okay? We have negative 7AB plus 10AB. And if you can't see it, write it out to the side. Negative 7AB plus 10AB. Okay? So that's going to give you a positive 3AB. Okay? You have questions about integers, please make sure that you ask your questions, address your concerns about integers, because I can always give us more practice with integers, because you're going to see that embedded in a lot of problems. Now your last number is 2. It doesn't have a like term. 2 is a constant because it doesn't have any variables attached. So our expression, this expression here, is our answer, because we cannot combine any of those terms together. They are not like terms. Okay? So if you have questions, please make sure that you ask your questions, okay? And you should be able to do the others on your own. If not, please come see me so that I can help you combine like terms. All right. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.